So now we can actually see what the classroom looks like when we have two people joining. So it's not just me. There's Anna here. You can see this because this box represents her here. She doesn't have her video or her audio on at the moment. And when you click here on the participants list, you can see our names pop up here. So there's more than one person listed. Now it's me and her. And I could ask her to turn her audio on or also her video. And she would, the person can set it up so that they can either block that or allow it. Obviously, our students will put their video and audio on because they want to see you and practice English. But the one thing I wanted to show you is because you will have all the students listed here, but also, of course, the other trainees, the other teachers. And like I said to you before, you might want to make somebody host because they're going to teach after you. So in the break time, in between the lessons, you have to basically give the host over to this other person. And you do this by clicking, like I'm just going to show you. So you're teaching here, and then you click on participants, the list pops up, you go to the person's name, you click on more, and you can see there's a whole little box, like a drop-down menu coming up. You can chat to them, you can ask them to start their video, and you can also make them host. Underneath is also co-host, but we want to make this person host because they need to have all the functions available to them. So I'm going to make them host. Yes, you can see there's a little blue window popping up that Anna is the host now. Okay, and now she has all the functions. You can see if I hover over this again, there's actually one thing, the breakout rooms, that has disappeared because I am no longer host. I'm just a normal person, a normal participant. And one thing that happened now is because my status changed, I am a normal student now, and this little function here, raising the hand, is now available to me. I told you about this before in the other video. So if I click on raise hand, you can see there's a little raised hand, and actually for Anna, because she's the host, there would also be a raised hand symbol popping up on my video screen, so she knows that I have a question that she should ask me, basically. Okay, but because I am the account holder, I can also get the host back by force from her, which is what I'm going to do now. Here are three little dots, okay, and underneath it says here, request the host again. So I'm just going to do that, and you can see straight away Anna is a normal participant and I'm the host again. All right, so if anything happens in class and you don't really understand how Zoom works anymore, or something happens, don't worry, because as the teachers, the main tutors, we can always make ourselves host again quickly and intervene and help if really need be.